You can actually make money just by curating Spotify playlists, and it's more real than people think. First, grow your playlist by picking a niche. Could be moods, genres, or vibes people search for. Focus on good titles, cover art, and regular updates to keep it active and growing. Once you have built a following, artists will start reaching out asking for placements. You can charge for those. Just be transparent and keep the music relevant to your playlist. Some curators make a few hundred off a month doing this consistently. There are also platforms like Summit Hub, Goower, and Playlist Push where artists pay to pitch their songs to curators like you. You get paid to review their music and you only add what fits your brand. It takes time to build, but once your playlist has an audience, it can become a real side income stream. If you're trying this out, hit subscribe and comment how many followers your playlist has, and I'll reply with tips to grow it faster. And yeah, like always, if you do have any questions, you just drop them to us in the comments. And I'll get back with a video or any useful, necessary information that feels right.